following
Guys, get in here. This is as far as my arms will go.
Jasmine.
No, see Sarah.
Get in, Sarah, get in.
Yeah, just be right there. Your phone's
Okay,
calling.
ready?
Allie. Your phone.
We have a phone call. Just a minute.
Wait, it's your parents.
One
Hello.
sec. We have a participant on the telephone.
Oh, hey, Dad.
It's her mom, actually. I can hear the woman's voice. I don't know why she's saying
What?
What's
Okay. They said I can sleep over.
What are you doing?
All right.
They're like this.
Okay. What time do you want to pick me up then?
Oh, your face looks so horrified.
I don't know.
The wall looks like the Hogwarts wall paintings.
It's awesome,
Besides,
right?
no one's in them moving around.
Yeah, except that. There's no one in them anyways. In any of them. I did that one.
I did.
I like
That one.
Oh, what time is it?
It's so quiet.
Because
someone's on the
Al's
phone.
conversations on the phone. Like me, like a whole body.
Okay.
Body
Might get really
shot.
dirty. I don't know. What time do you want to pick me up?
Yeah.
An hour?
That's
That's
not the.
okay.
That's not the. That's not the camera.
Yeah.
My hair's a mess. Take it down.
No.
It looks cuter now.
Shake it up, baby.
Okay. That was beautiful.
Love you. That was a very difficult conversation.
We just twisted and
Ready?
shouted while you did it. Ready? Get in here. My arms only go this far.
My face should be
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Do you know how to post videos to Facebook?